So today we're speaking with Marhya Osheaski with IFS Coatings, which will be exhibiting at the Fabtech show, which will be in Atlanta, November 8th through the 10th. Marhya, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
Great. So I know, IFS is one of the largest powder coating suppliers. Tell us a little bit about IFS and maybe some things that you do to offer for the finishing and the coating industry.
Absolutely. So IFS is the largest privately owned powder manufacturer in the United States. We only focus on powder, various chemistries. We do thermoset lines of powder for everything from architecture to general industrial to, custom job shop applications. And we also do thermoplastic powder that's utilized in a variety of applications, from marine to fencing, to shopping carts, to all sorts of different things. It has some great properties and some special attributes. And we also have just launched a new line of heat sensitive substrates. So for wood, MDF, things like that. One of the things that makes IFS special is we only focus on powder. That's our primary, focus for R&D and development. We have 2 manufacturing locations, one in Oklahoma, one in Gainesville, Texas. And I think if you added up all of the expertise of the folks that work at IFS, you'd have a couple hundred years of experience. So we've got a lot of very dedicated folks that are eager to help. The service is our primary focus. So, whatever the customer needs, we're happy to find a solution to help to make them successful.
Right. Yeah, you mentioned, I know you all have done extensive research into low cure, heat sensitive. You've got a nice lab there with a lot of people that really are very smart about this. Like I said, when you focus on powder, I guess that is, really what you do all day, 24/7, is focusing on that with that. So, you have like you said, have done a tremendous amount of research in getting these products out to market.
Absolutely. The heat sensitive substrates have been a key focus for the last couple of years in R&D to really kind of perfect the formula, the application, the aesthetic look of the product for that market. And we officially launched it, and we were at the IWF show recently in Atlanta that had a fantastic reception. The booth was incredibly busy, and we were going through the leads and trying to focus it down. But it's a very exciting new sort of avenue for for the finishing industry. It's a great compatible thing for a lot of job shops to kind of add maybe some heat sensitive work into their line. So we're very excited about this product line, and we think it's going to really be a fantastic addition to the portfolio.
Mm-hmm. Well, let's talk about the show in general at Fabtech. Like I said, at your booth, visitors can come over and talk to you all. What are some things that you really want to express and get across that people that come to your booth that you want to show to them? It sounds like you all, like I said, have a lot of expertise in architecture, MDF, and wood, and those type of things, and you can really help them. I know you've got a lot of partners in the industry that you can really help them get a system in place in-house if they want to get that way.
Absolutely. I think, the takeaway is we have something for absolutely everyone. We have a huge range of colors and chemistries to learn about for all sorts of different types of applications. As you mentioned, we have the heat sensitive, we have special effects, we have, thermoplastics, thermosets. But another thing is we have them available in a wide variety of quantities for different types of applications. So you can order, as little as a couple of pounds from us for something specific, or you can buy a truckload of product. So really, no matter what size your business is, no matter what you're trying to do, we have the expertise to, help you to be successful in that. So I would encourage everybody to come in, talk to the people that we have in the booth. We'd love to see you and help you with whatever your project might be, small or large.
Right. Yeah, people don't need to wait till November. Like I said, they go to your website,
Absolutely.
ifscoatings.com. They have lots of videos, lots of articles on there about that. And really, like you said, it is something that people may not think that they can bring something in-house. And I always tell people it starts with the powder, then it goes to the guns, then it goes to the ovens, and then it goes to all those type of things. But people can really get an idea and a sense of what they can do in their own manufacturing operation, correct?
Absolutely. Whether you are a seasoned powder coater that, wants to come and talk to us about a new project, or whether you're thinking about whether powder is a good thing to bring in house for you, or whether you might like to add it to your fab shop, come talk to us. We'll give you the good, bad, and help you through the process. Like you said, from looking at, your pre-treat, your preparation process, your powder coating, your curing. We can talk through the whole process with you and help you to find the right solution.
Gotcha. Yeah. Again, it's going to be at Fabtech, which is November 8th through the 10th in Atlanta. And again, they can go to your website and see a lot more about that. Then head over and talk to you all at the booth and get a little bit more information with that. So, Marhya, thank you again for joining us today.
Oh, you're so welcome. Thank you for having me.